Hi, I'm McKenna.
And I'm Michelle. Today we're in Woollahra in Sydney and we'd like to introduce you to Hamlet House, your locations.
Let's take a tour.
Hamlet House has been used over the years by many of our clients, mainly being used to showcase bridal and fashion shoots. With the wide open pool area and stunning balustrade features, this location truly lends itself to outdoor photo shoots.
Constructed in the 1920s, this heritage home allows for productions to capture old world glamour and all the class of the 20s. Inside Hamlet House, you'll find fresh coastal interiors outlooking the lush exterior. With large, spacious rooms and plenty of natural light, the interiors create a serene environment. From the grand facade to the large pool area to the sprawling gardens, this shoot location is equally enchanting and captivating.
Available for your next filming campaign or photo shoot, Hamlet House will no doubt elevate your creative vision.
We hope you enjoyed this closer look at such an amazing home, and we'll see you on the next house tour.